all ready to go. Can't believe I'm leaving home again. I've just arrived finally in Prague. Now I'm trying to figure a way how to get to the centre of the city. So we've made it actually into the city, and we're just kind of looking where to eat, where's the cash points, where we're going to stay. We can't actually go to the hostel for another few hours, so we've kind of got all this to deal with. But yeah, we're in the city now. Yeah. I definitely look like a fucking tourist. Yeah. Thank you. Not bad. Oop. God, look at that. It's nice views. Look at that. Lovely. Yeah. So what we got? Definitely quite high up. Beautiful here though. Look at it. Interesting bit of artwork there. Yeah. Right, so what I'm going to do is go into this Dictatorial shop, Dick shop, and get a coffee. Dictatorial.
Can I have a...
Oh, this is interesting.
I can send you a penis and a coffee.
Are you too local or are you? Ah, okay. Do you like this shop, in the shop? We're, well, obviously tourists. This is brilliant.
Everyone loves it.
Everyone loves the penis shop. Oh, some really nice lollies. That's just gross.
That's like one way of eating. I mean, like, I don't know what you're laughing at. We do have Lotus biscuits, which is just caramel biscuit, Lotus topping. Then crushed Kit Kat chocolate balls, nuts, rainbow drizzle, coconut pistachios, and marshmallows.
What's going on?
Maybe on the toast, sure.
Stunning.
Excuse me?
What inspired you? You love
Well,
Malakava, prosim. Lubim Czeski. No, nem Lubim Czeski. Right, so I've got a single espresso from the Dick shop. Right, so that was an interesting experience. Got a little souvenir, a little stamp. That was probably the weirdest, most interesting shop I've ever been in before. So there we go. Stopped off for a quick pit stop. Some sort of pork and something or other, rice, I don't know. Yeah, I think so. Goulash. Probably the cheapest place in the city. Every other restaurant's a bit pricey, so I think this is our new local for the next couple of days. For breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and second dinner. So, right. Yeah! Anna! So we are going to a pub. That's all I can think of saying. There's this pub that we found, and we think it's going to be the best pub in town. I think this is it.
What's quite a fun game actually. Maybe babies.